Assalamu alaikum. How are you viewers? Today I'm talking to you about Islam. Assalamu alaikum shows the meaning of Islam. When a Muslim meets the other one, the other Muslim, he says to him, he greets to him, Assalamu alaikum. That with peace, with security. These two basic things everybody needs, everybody demands, everybody is in search of these basic two things. That everyone wants to live in peace, in security. For security purposes, you see everyone, every government, every system, every institution, those people do for the peace and security of the institution and city, country, world, whatever the spectrum is made big or low. But the purpose, the demand is peace and security of everybody. Every human, every person, everything, you can say, even the animals want to live in peace. One goat having horns treats the other goat which doesn't have horn. Our prophet, our books they tell us that that goat which does not have the horns, she also has the right to live, to remain in peace and security. And having the horns, that goat has no right to hit that guy, hit that goat which hasn't horns. This is one example. And the goat hits, beats, attacks that particular goat which doesn't have that to save, to retaliate, to respond to the attack. That will be judged in the day of judgment, and that will be punished. That goat having the horns and attacking that particular goat don't have that security that has the other one who attacks that. He will be judged in the day of judgment and will be punished for that bad act. وَمَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ خَيْرًا يَرَهُ وَمَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ شَرًّا يَرَهُ. Even the animals will be judged on the day of judgment. So I'm talking to you about Islam. Islam means peace and security. Peace and security. Peace and security. It guarantees, it demands, it offers, it is the pioneer of peace and security. Islam is the name of peace and security. Islam means peace and security. Islam acts peace and security. Islam determines peace and security. Islam is peace and security. So those people who do not agree with these words, peace and security, they don't have any kind of relation with Islam. However, the Islam they should follow. They should be obedient to the teachings of Islam, the meanings of Islam, the preachings of Islam. What? Peace and security. They should live with peace and security. They should let the other people, they should give the other people right to live in peace and security. And if you do not let the other people in peace and security,